guys, welcome back to Grandma TV. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for joining us on yet another interesting episode. Today I'm joined by my two little ones. Sean, say hi.
Hi.
And what's your name? Tell people what's your name.
My name is Sean.
And what's your name?
Mommy.
Her name is Zofani, and today these little ones will be joining me in our cooking episode today. So stay tuned. I don't know, fingers crossed if we don't get the kitchen burnt, maybe we'll have a great meal at the end of it. So stay tuned and let's get started. We're doing a pasta dish, and let me take you through the ingredients real quick. So I have my pasta here, uncooked ones. I'm just going to be throwing them into the boiling water in a few minutes. And here I have, Sean, what is this?
Butter.
Yeah, this is butter. And what is this?
The mushrooms.
Mushrooms, yeah, chopped mushrooms. And what is this? What do you think this is? Garlic.
Garlic.
What is this, Sophie? It's garlic. Garlic. Yeah, and this is coconut cream. So usually I don't do very well with lactose, so we are substituting the dairy cream that you would use with coconut cream, and that's what we'll be using to make our sauce for today. So yeah, and I have broccoli here.
Broccoli.
You know broccoli? Do you love broccoli? Yeah, so we'll be having this on the side with the pasta. So let's get started cooking. First things first, yes? So before we go forward, subscribe to our channel. Can you
subscribe to our YouTube channel?
Yay, for more videos.
For more videos.
For more videos. Okay, now let me set you guys on a nice place and we'll get started.
Bye. Bye.
So guys, first things first, I have my water which is preheating here. I'll wait for it to boil before I can add. Sean, don't just go near the water, okay? Before I add my pasta to boil. But in the meantime, I have heated my pan and I want to just divide a little bit of this butter. Throw in butter, Sean. In the butter, then
mushrooms.
We add our mushrooms to them. It's a really quick, easy, but the results are always amazing. You want to have that nice and tasty, delicious hot meal. This is something that takes very short amount of time, and at the end of it you have a very interesting meal. Yeah. Are you done going circles? Instead of talking, jumping around, just talk to the people. Tell them hi.
Hi.
You always wanted to talk to the people. You have the opportunity now. Okay, I'm adding salt right now. Just enough. of black pepper. Oh, we're almost running out of black pepper as well.
Put it around.
That's black pepper, guys.
Black pepper. Mix. 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 Mix up.
Yeah.
Mix up.
Mix it. And remember our remaining butter.
Butter.
I'm going to be adding this in as well.
And then mix it. Mix it up again.
So that the mushrooms can be nicely soaked in that butter. It's going to give a very nice taste at the end of
Mix, 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 mix.
yeah, mixing. And guys, by the way, as you can see, the mushrooms are shrinking, guys. You see the size? It's shrinking, right, Sean?
Let's
You know when they shrink? Are you going to be a chef when you grow up? Will you change your career? Can't let you come near the fire, otherwise you'll have a disaster in the kitchen. Maybe when you're older, I can let you do it. My water is about to boil, so I'm getting ready to add the pasta in. Okay, at this stage I want to add 1 spoonful of all-purpose flour. This will enhance the thickening of our sauce. So I'm going to just add
Some.
a tablespoon flour. Okay.
Mix.
It's already starting to thicken. Please, Sean. See, this is why it's a bad idea to have these guys in the kitchen, because they won't stay still.
Add the coconut cream.
I think I should do a little bit more.
Mix up. Cool.
Okay, guys, now in goes my cooking cream. This is coconut cream.
Coconut cream.
If you have the cooking cream, you can as well use it. As I mentioned earlier, I'm substituting this because lactose intolerance is something that you don't want to play around with, so this will do for us, but it's still as yummy as
Yummy.
the other cooking cream here. And don't waste anything. Just scrape everything.
Scoop everything. Finish.
We start this and let it boil for a few minutes before we can add the pasta. Now I'll throw it in. steaming thing, it's better because then you can place it even on top of your pasta and it will be efficient enough. Okay, John, we're not playing with fire. Okay guys, that's how it's looking.
Yep.
That's how the sauce is looking so far. I just added, this is just mushrooms and coconut cream, and I added a tablespoon of all-purpose flour to thicken. Okay guys, now let's add our coriander and parsley. There it goes. This will add that nice green into our sauce so that it doesn't look so white. Then my broccoli is all steamed up. So I burn myself. Just going to drain the water.
Get some more.
No water. I'm going to salt them. And I'll add a bit of black pepper.
Black pepper.
Give this a toss.
Up and jumping, let them jump.
Yeah. Just that, and we're ready to serve that. If you cover, it continues to heat up, so I'll leave it at that. And now, onto my pasta. I'm just going to transfer this into my sauce.
Let me mix them up.
Yeah. And then stir this nicely. Allow all the ingredients to merge together to intermarry. This is our final
Recipe.
dish.
Dish.
This is pasta
Broccoli.
in cream,
Cream.
coconut cream,
Coconut cream.
and our steamed broccoli.
Broccoli.
Very easy, very simple. Okay guys,
The final dish.
that's it for this video. This was our final meal. I just used a little bit of green onions and some leftover parsley and
Broccoli.
coriander for garnish. Yeah, this is broccoli. And what do you think of our meal, Sean? What do you think of our pasta?
Looking good.
Does it look good? Would you have this? Okay, do you want to test? Okay. Let's try. Let's try it with Sean. He will taste it for us today and tell us what he thinks. What do you think?
Yummy.
It's yummy. It's Sean approved. Now I'm going to also give it a test for you guys.
Yes, Sophie?
Here it goes. It's really that simple, very delicious, very tasty. The mushrooms, if you love mushrooms, this is a very nice way for you to supplement meat and have it instead of meat in your dish. and it's a very good, very quick option for you in the evening, during lunch, whatever you want. You can quickly have it, and it's set on the table for you to enjoy. As you can see, he can't stop eating. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big like, subscribe for more videos, tell everybody you know, or share with a friend or someone you know, ask them to subscribe as well. Thank you so much for the love so far, guys. I really truly appreciate. And until our next one, see you. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you on our next one. God bless you.
Bye.